Well, a warm welcome to anyone joining. Thank you for being here. Go ahead and get yourself ready with a notebook. Grab a pencil or pen. Whatever tool you choose to write with is fine. This is math from the void. Math coming at you pretty much out of nowhere. And today we have another SAT style problem, also from the topic of algebra, and it calls back to a couple of previous problems, similar but not identical to this question here. Here we're involving cubes. So go ahead and read through the problem. You'll notice that I left some multiple choice options here for you to choose from. See if that maybe helps you. As usual, give yourself about 2 minutes or so. The faster you can do it, the better. Pause the video, give yourself some time to work it out on your own. See if you can figure this out. And then when you're ready, unpause the video, come back, and join us to see how we did it here. Okay, it's time to get started here. And the callback to the previous videos is sort of emphasizing this idea that if we have x plus y equals 5, the question is it as simple as just cubing this to get x cubed plus y cubed? Now, if you think about it carefully for about 2 seconds, you should know that x plus y cubed is clearly different from x cubed plus y cubed. If x and y are non-zero, there's no way this is possible. What does x plus y cubed really turn into? It does have x cubed and y cubed in it, but that's not the full expansion. In fact, you'll notice that we're asked about the value of x squared y plus xy squared. That is probably involved in the expansion. It's somehow in the expansion of x plus y cubed. So what is x plus y cubed? Well, of course, this is x plus y times x plus y times x plus y. That can be a little bit tedious to work out, but if you don't remember the expansion for x plus y cubed, you kind of have to do it this way. So let's suppose that you didn't remember how to expand that. You would have x squared plus xy plus another xy plus y squared. So here we have x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. Should definitely know that one, the expansion for x plus y squared. And then we have to do another round of distribution here. So we'll end up with x cubed plus 2x squared y plus x times y squared. And then I'm going to distribute the y from the second parentheses. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to cleverly shift where I write these things at. I'm going to kind of line them up nicely with this here. 2xy squared plus y cubed. And if we do it in this way, we'll notice that we get some common terms to add together. So we have 3x squared y plus 3xy squared, interesting, plus y cubed. Well, there you have it. In case you didn't know what x plus y cubed was, there's this really nice expansion. So this is truly what x plus y cubed is equals to. So here we have that this is equal to 5 cubed, which of course is 125. But we need to find something completely different. We need to find, again, x squared y plus xy squared, which is in this expansion. It's kind of in there, right? There's an x squared y, and there's an xy squared. So let's use the given information that tells us x cubed plus y cubed has a known value. This value is, I believe it was 76. Yes, 76 plus 3, which factors out x squared y plus xy squared. equals 125. Now we're getting somewhere because we can subtract this and isolate the term that we're looking for. Really, this entire expression here is the variable. So we have 3 times this quantity, which we want to know, equals 125 minus 76. That gives us 49. And so sure enough, the desired expression, x squared y plus xy squared equals 49 over 3. And that is D, option D. Okay, so the trick here is that, again, if you're asked about x cubed plus y cubed or x squared plus y squared, and you're given x plus y, it is not as simple as squaring this. You can see that 5 cubed does not give us 76. So you can tell that it's not just equals to x cubed plus y cubed. You have to work through this and expand. If you don't know the expansion, you can see how that would waste some time. It's going to be helpful if you're familiar with the expansion of x plus y cubed, and it's also really helpful if you know how to expand a binomial to any power using Pascal's triangle or some kind of nice method. Okay, I gave you some multiple choice options to see what you would do. Sometimes they're distracting and sometimes they're helpful. If you appreciated this video, go ahead and let me know what you got in the comments. You can like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Anyways, that's enough blab out of me. I'll see you guys next time in the